Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening of a watchgang watch from October. This is my watchgang Black membership watch from October. Yes, I am that far behind. I actually have 5 watches, including this one sitting here, that need box openings done. And there's probably another one coming this month. Well, of course there is. So I'm going to try and bust out a whole bunch of watch openings over the next few days, maybe. So stay tuned, see what I got. Also, guys, if you're looking to sign up for WatchGang, make sure you click my link below. It gets you some wheel spin points, me some wheel spin points. Helps me keep getting more watches and bringing them into the channel. And if you're looking to save a little bit of money, there is promo codes and discount codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast. Before we get to the box opening, take a look at what's on my wrist today. I have the Aragon anti-gravity, and I absolutely love this one. Now, a lot of the watches from Aragon are giant watches, but I actually feel like this one fits my wrist very nicely. And I like how the indices kind of float above that skeleton dial there. Just a super cool piece from Aragon. So let's go ahead and get to the box opening. Now, if you're unfamiliar with WatchGang, it is a monthly subscription company where you pay a fee, you get a watch, plus they have the wheel, and there's all kinds of other fun ways to get watches and watch related items. Now, I pretty much spin the wheel when I've got enough points built up, but you can pay to spin the wheel, and you have a chance of, you get to pick out all your watches and have a chance to get an upgrade. Now, myself, I have never received an upgrade spinning the wheel. Now, I am not sure what brand of watch I got this month. Why are watch names always so crazy? I have no idea. Pegood? No clue how to pronounce that. So, sorry I butchered it. But judging by the packaging, we got maybe some vintage style pilot kind of watch. Pegood. Let's take a look. It's not a brand I have ever heard of. Ooh, look at oh man, I'm actually digging this, because that inner dial is like tinted, but it's skeletonized. Okay, I'm digging this one quite a bit already. This one is definitely gonna be a keeper. Oh crap. Wow. That is really cool. Look at that display case back on this one. Man, I know nothing about this brand, this company. There will be a follow-up on this one because I am definitely keeping it. There's the model number, a PG9003-03, and I am going to have to do some research on this one. Man, this might be one of the better watches I've received from WatchGang on that black tier level in quite some time. Now, let me know in the comments below if this is one you've ever heard of, but I am flipping digging this one so far. Let's go ahead and throw it on wrist really quick. And there you have it. This is how it looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. My girlfriend makes fun of me every time for saying that, but it gives you guys an idea of the size. Now, I used to not be a huge fan of these taper down straps, but I've been finding them more and more comfortable, so I actually do like them quite a bit. I am absolutely digging this one so far, and definitely stay tuned for a follow-up review on this one. I'm not sure if it'll happen before more box openings, but it will happen. Granted, the last watch I said there would be a follow-up on. One of the guys at work saw it, had to have it, and I sold it to him. So I have been known to sell some of my watches off because the collection has been growing so much. But let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. And remember, never step on your watch. It's a waste of time. As always, guys, thanks for watching.